What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this bomb chicken alla vodka. Take some shots, get lit. No, I'm playing. We're just going to make some chicken alla vodka. First thing you want to do is butterfly your chicken. If it's too big, if it's not, then just skip this step. You don't need to do that. Then you want to go ahead and get your seasoned chicken and dip it into your seasoned flour. For the chicken, I just use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And same thing for the flour. Then we're going to coat the chicken with eggs, and then we're going to coat it with some Panko breadcrumbs. From the store, I just got like plain old Panko breadcrumbs, but then I seasoned it with garlic powder and Italian seasoning, and now I'm just coating it with that. Then we're going to heat up some oil in a pan. I'm using vegetable oil, but you can use Crisco, vegetable oil, whatever you want to use. And then the way to check if the oil is up to temp is by putting a wooden spoon in it. And once it creates bubbles around it, then you're ready to go. The chicken should take about 5 minutes to cook on each side, but if your chicken was a lot bigger than mine, then it's probably going to take a little bit longer. But just use a thermometer to double check and make sure it's up to 165 degrees. Look at that. Golden, brown, extra juicy, bomb as fuck, would highly recommend. Then we're going to boil some water and season it with some salt. And then we're going to add in our pasta. I'm using linguine, but you can use penne pasta if you want to. I just find that linguine kind of plates a little bit better for this dish, so that's why I'm using it. Too soon. Then we're gonna get a pan and we're gonna heat it up with some oil and wait till the oil gets heated up. You just seen what I did, so just wait till the oil gets heated up. I don't even know why I did that. Then we're gonna add in our onions, let it sweat a little bit on low heat. Then we're gonna add in our bacon. Then once the bacon is cooked, you want to go ahead and add in your garlic because garlic cooks mad fast. So just go ahead and cook that out for like 2 more minutes. So I forgot to press record during this step. Right now I'm supposed to be adding in the vodka to the pan and letting it reduce by half. But now it's just reducing in my mouth because I'm just going to take a shot for you guys because I forgot to press record. Now we're going to add in our marinara sauce. Then we're going to season it with some red pepper flakes, some salt, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some oregano. Then we're going to pour on our heavy cream, stir that around. Next, we're going to add in some butter and melt it down. Then we're going to add in some Parmesan cheese. Make sure you shred this or grate this yourself, whatever you choose to do. Don't buy it at the store in the bag because it's not going to melt the same. So now we're just going to check for seasoning. Just add in whatever we feel like is missing from it. I needed some more red pepper flakes and some salt, so that's what I'm doing. Last thing we're going to do is toss in our pasta and make sure it's like coated with the sauce. But then after that, we ready to play. Like, what's up? That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Hopefully you try it at home. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.